Once you've opened up Forms, you're faced with the plus sign. The plus gives you a new quiz. If you click on the little drop down, it opens up a new form. I'm going to start with a new form. So here's the interface you're faced with. So you have the Questions tab and the Responses tab. Under this, we're going to give it a title and a description. So I'm going to give it title of Relationships Form, and the description is using how good is our school? We want to know what you think. Okay, so once you've got your form, title and your description, then you're moving on to add new. Now we have this very handy question suggestion here, which you can click on and it'll give you suggested questions. I'm not going to do that, I'm simply going to click add new. Here I am faced with choice, text, rating and date. And you can see that I have done an Our School Relationships form before, so it's giving me some suggestions. So we're going to go, in this case, with a rating. So I'm going to select rating, and that gives me a symbol of stars, which I can change and make it a 1 to 5 if I wish. I'm going to stick with the stars. And then I simply have to type in my question. So I'm just going to type in the question. So I've typed in my question, and then I have this option here, which is to make it required. When you click that, it means that you can't move on in your form until you have done that. Now up here, you can see that we have the ability to copy the question, and what that does is it creates a duplicate of that question, so that if you're doing a lot of questions that are the same format, in this case, the choice, the stars, the rating, then what you can do is you can just copy that, and then you just edit each question as you go. If you make a mistake and you don't like it, you can simply delete a question, or if you want to move a question, you simply use the arrows to move it up or down, and you can see that question has moved. And that's how you add questions.